Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we are going to unbox and install the iBlason phone case for the Samsung Zfold4. So let's see what's in the box first. We have everything nicely wrapped. We have, before you open this packaging, please scan this QR code for watching installation video. Well, actually, I already watched the installation video, and you're watching one now, so there. And then Armor Box by iBlason. And it actually shows you how to install it anyway. So, nice packaging, and dun, dun, dun. There it is. So this is the front cover. It does have its own little scratch guard on it, which is really nice. So you don't have to get these little plastic shields that, cost a whole bunch and bubble and all that stuff and don't really work very well. Okay, more packaging. You have the case itself. Armor Box. Military grade drop tested. I don't know how they did that, but okay. And then when you put it on, you can flip this back and there's a place for the Samsung pen to go in there. But looks like you can probably fit a skinny, regular pen, that has a little doodad on the end that you can kind of do stuff with. So we'll find that out. But the springs in there actually look pretty good. So let's go ahead and install this thing and see how it goes. Now this is not my phone, so hopefully I don't mess it up. But we're going to take this phone because the case that was on the phone, it cracked right up in there. So we're going to take this old case off, which we got actually from the AT&T store, which said, hey, it's just as good as any other case. It wasn't. We're going to swap it out for this person. At least give it a shot. So the first thing off, of course, you take the old one out. Since it's all busted up, I'm not going to worry about it too much. We do have an old screen protector on here as well. See if we can take this off. Of course, wash your hands first. Excuse me. Supposedly, all we have to do is take the protection off. Protection off the protection screen. And then pull this off. Now there is a little strip here that is sticky right along there. So you got to be really careful about that. It says the top side that has the top screen. Of course, you want to put this on. It says from bottom to top. So there's bottom to top. And there's a little hole at the top of the protector screen that has for your front viewing camera. Make sure that lines up correctly. And then you just, from the bottom up, you just kind of push it on until it pops in. That looks pretty darn good. Make sure everything's lined up nice and neat. And then you push down to make sure that sticky part seals. It says in the directions that then you take the back part that has the camera on it, and you see the hole for the camera. All you got to do is from the bottom up, just pop it on, kind of work it up till you hear it pop into place. I'm not hearing it pop into place. Oh, there we go. I had it too far over. There's little ridges around the camera lenses that I didn't have lined up with the hole right. So that was the difficulty. When you close it up, pop this over, and that's supposed to have nice and sealed. And actually, that is really a nice hefty case. So you can see here on the bottom, it does have openings for the microphone, for the USB-C input, for the vents, which is a very good idea. And it does have a cutout for the on-off and the thumb reader. And then your plus and minus buttons. Actually, they feel real good, like they lined up just right, which is fantastic. And of course, they do have the opening again for the front-facing camera, and then the other microphones inputs, as well as another vent up top. Nice. And again, opening it up, it opens up nice and smooth. And on the back side here, where the S Pen goes in, let's see if a regular Targus pen goes in. Does it look like the Targus pen will fit? It looks like only the S Pen will fit in there because I can't get a Targus pen in there. On the back here, I forgot to show you, there is a thing that pops up, okay? You can use it as a phone stand. You can put your finger in there, like so. Or, if you want to open this thing up, you can use it as a phone stand for the side, like so. And then you can watch ResslerMania videos on it all day long. So there you have it. The armor box from iBlason. iBlason. Thank you, and have a great day.